What does it mean to be truly alone? Have you ever imagined being so far away from the world that help couldn't reach you for days, weeks, or ever? What if your phone had no signal? There were no roads, no people, no noise. Only you, the wind, and the wild? Could you survive? Let's dive into the 10 most isolated places on Earth and ask, why are we so afraid of being truly alone? This tiny volcanic island is called Tristan da Cunha. Ever heard of it? It's the most remote inhabited archipelago on Earth. Only about 250 people live there. The nearest land is 1,500 miles away. No airports. Only one boat arrives, maybe twice a year. If you broke your leg, how long until help arrived? Could you treat yourself? Could you wait? Now imagine living in the coldest place on Earth. Welcome to McMurdo Station. Temperatures? Minus 50 degrees Celsius or worse. The sun disappears for months. It's a scientific base, but also a frozen prison. What happens if you get sick, when planes can't fly? What if the cold cracks your gear or your sanity? Try saying that name 5 times fast. Itokakortormite sits on the edge of Greenland. Snow, ice, and polar bears. Population? Less than 500. There's only one flight a week, if the weather allows. And hunting is the main source of food. Could you kill your next meal, or would hunger win? In eastern Tibet lies a place where no roads reach. Madawa County. To get there, you hike through jungles, landslides, and rope bridges. The path is dangerous, and that's the only way in. For centuries, it remained untouched. Is it paradise or a trap? Think the US is all highways and Starbucks? Think again. Supai Village in the Grand Canyon can't be reached by car. You hike, ride a mule, or fly in by helicopter. Mail is delivered by pack mule. Modern life? Not here. Could you live without everything you're used to? With just around 50 residents, Pitcairn is more than remote. It's nearly forgotten. Descendants of famous mutineers from the ship Bounty live here. There's no airstrip, just a rocky shore. Supplies? Delivered every few months. If the ocean rages, no one comes. Could you wait? Would you panic or adapt? This isn't just remote. It's the highest permanent settlement on Earth. La Rinconada sits at over 16,000 feet. You walk uphill just to breathe. Oxygen is thin. The cold is biting. And it's a gold mining town full of danger and desperation. Could you survive where every breath hurts? This is the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Temperatures? Minus 67.7 degrees Celsius. Your spit freezes before it hits the ground. Cars must run 24/7 or they freeze solid. It's so cold, metal shatters. Your eyelashes? Could you survive even one night? They call it the Desolation Islands. No people, no ports, no permanent residents. Only researchers visit a few times a year. Wind howls constantly. No trees, just rocks, ocean, and seals. You're thousands of miles from help. Is isolation peace or punishment? The most remote place on Earth is in the ocean. Point Nemo. No one lives there. No one visits. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. The closest humans? Astronauts aboard the ISS. They're 250 miles above you and still closer than anyone on Earth. What happens if you drift there? Alone? Lost? We think we rule the Earth, that we've mapped every corner. But the truth? There are still places that defy us. Places that whisper, "You do not belong here." Could you survive these places? Could anyone? Or is isolation the one danger we still can't escape? And if Earth still holds these silent traps, what might we find out there beyond our world? Are we really explorers? Or just visitors overstaying our welcome? Think that was weird? Oh, we're just getting started. This channel's where the curious get curiouser. Strange facts, mind-bending twists, and questions you didn't even know you needed to ask. That's our vibe. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, if you dare. Because reality's weirder than you think, and we're peeling it back one video at a time.